Good morning students. Today in this video I will continue line wise explanation of the poem A Tiger in the Zoo. In the above video I have explained starting two stanzas of the poem. Now in this video I will continue explanation from third stanza. He should be snarling around houses at the jungle's edge. The tiger that is in the forest, he is snarling. Snarling means roaring around the houses which are situated at the edge of the forest, at the bank of the forest. Why he is roaring so loudly? He is roaring so loudly to frighten the people who are living in the houses which are situated at the edge of the forest. This tiger, which is living in his natural habitat in the forest, is symbol of terror, is symbol of dread, is symbol of freedom. He is not fearing, but he is frightening the people by his presence. That's why he is roaring, creating a shivering among the heart of the people who are living at the edge of the forest. This tiger is symbol of terror. This tiger is symbol of dread. This tiger is liberty. He is terrorizing the people who are living at the villages which are situated at the edge of the forest. Bearing his white fangs. Bearing means here uncovering, opening. White fangs. White fangs means poisonous teeth. His claws. Claws means paws. The tiger which is in the forest, he is showing his poisonous teeth and his dangerous claws to the people of the village. Why? Because seeing the dangerous claws and poisonous teeth, the people of the village will be frightened. A terror will create in the heart of the people. That's why by showing the poisonous teeth and dangerous claws, the tiger that is in the forest is terrorizing the village people. This tiger is symbol of terror. He is creating terror in the heart of the people who are living at the edge of the forest. Really, this tiger is enjoying his real freedom. On the other hand, the tiger that is in the cage of the zoo, he is helpless because he is not enjoying his freedom. His freedom has been curtailed from him. He is caught from the forest and put into the cage of the zoo. He cannot enjoy his freedom, so the tiger that is in the cage of the zoo is helpless, is angry. On the other hand, the tiger that is in the forest, he is enjoying his liberty, he is enjoying his freedom. He is terrorizing the village people by showing his poisonous teeth and dangerous claws. So really this tiger is happy. This tiger is enjoying his liberty.